Subscribe PoinTECH and press bell icon to get latest updates. Never miss new videos from PoinTECH. Welcome back on PoinTECH channel. Here today I will teach you to change the appearance color of PowerPoint interface. So without wasting time, let's start. Click on File, Account, under Office Theme, click on drop down arrow and select any color that you want. Click on File, select Option. Under General tab, find Office Theme, click on drop down arrow and select any color of your wish and click on OK button. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and share it.